Hey there, I'm Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate. What are the benefits of moving to Rochester, Minnesota? Well, in this video, we'll cover everything from job opportunities to quality of life, showing you why so many people are choosing to call Rochester home. And if you're considering a move or you're just curious about what Rochester has to offer, make sure that you watch this full video or just reach out to us here at Domaille Real Estate because we're here to help. Hey guys, I'm Kelly Domaille and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty here in Rochester, Minnesota. Not only have I been in the real estate industry for about 28 years, I've lived here for about 24 years, and my business partner and husband Bruce was born and raised here. So we do know a few things about this community and we're willing to share. So the number one benefit here is if you've looked into Rochester at all, you've Googled us, you've read about us, the one thing you've probably heard more than anything is that we are the home of the Mayo Clinic. So we're looking at top tier healthcare opportunities between the Mayo Clinic and the Olmsted Medical Center. You've got it all right here as far as medical. We as residents have access to cutting edge medical services. And you actually kind of forget about it, that it's right out your back door where others have to cross the country or the globe to get here and access that. So that's a huge benefit. So having a robust medical community here really provides job stability in the healthcare field and those supporting industries. And at the time of this video, I can share with you that the Mayo Clinic just committed to a $5 billion expansion of its campus here. So that means more buildings, more jobs, more opportunities for those supporting businesses and industries as well. Another big benefit here is exceptional educational options. So from public schools to private, families that relocate here can really trust that their children are going to receive a quality education. Rochester has a robust public school district as well as private and charter schools so that we can cater to a variety of your wants and needs. And the added bonus is that the higher education opportunities here are super abundant. With the University of Minnesota Rochester, University of Winona, the Rochester Community Technical College, just to name a few, are providing paths for lifelong learning here. Now let's talk about lifestyle and activities. We are one of the most walkable cities. Walking and biking trails all over. Rochester has a walk score of 89 out of 100, which means basically you can do everything within walking distance if you needed to, okay? Our outdoor activities are, there's a plethora. We've got the Quarry Hill Nature Center. We've got massive park systems, so parks everywhere. And we've got a ton of public and private golf courses. So if you're looking to be outdoors and looking for some adventure, we've got it. There's also community events like Rochester Fest, Thursdays on First, and Social Ice, and so many more smaller events that are going year-round that will definitely get you out of the house and get you out and meeting the community. Now, we also have a very diverse community, and because of the Mayo Clinic bringing people in from all over the world and all over the country, this really means that we have a diverse community. Now, because of this diversity, we also have a super healthy real estate market. Now, again, because we are a diverse community, we have a lot of diverse housing options. So we've got the old historic districts and the luxury communities down to our smaller entry-level homes and a lot of townhomes. We here in Rochester are a big townhome community because of the transientness with the Mayo Clinic and Olmsted Medical Center. Our stable market is really fueled by our local economy and our major employees. And it creates opportunities for first-time home buyers, families, and investors. Because of the transientness of our community, we've kind of been a hotbed for a lot of investors looking to, open up Airbnbs, VRBOs, short-term rentals, long-term rentals, and things like that. So if you'd like to know more about moving to Rochester, Minnesota, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on anything. Hit that like button and follow us on all of our socials. And let us know if you have any questions or comments. Again, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks again for watching, and I really hope to see you guys in the next video.